Yo, what up, fellas?
Yo, what up? What up? This is
Yeah, I'm Koki, and this is Swag Nerd, also known as Toby.
Yo, my real name is Toby. Swagner is just a username. You know what I'm saying? But anyhow, we're just here to talk about girls that can cook.
Girls that cannot cook. Simple, straightforward.
Like,
Yo, it's a simple advice to y'all girls out there.
I know a lot
Seriously.
of girls that can cook. And
I do not like girls that cannot cook. That's the thing. There's this girl. No, seriously, I have to say my mind out. There's this girl that wanted to get married to me. Imagine me get married now. She was thinking of having a future with me. I was like, okay. You know, the first thing where you supposed to learn, say, you must know how to cook. She was like, oh, cook? I can't cook. We just gonna order fast food, Chinese food, McDonald's. What the fuck?
Like I had to go to the pain of staying in the kitchen with my mom like every day when I was young because I had to learn how to cook. You know, so it's just like me going to the gym now, and then I end up dating someone that doesn't go to the gym. Like someone bigger than me. You know that kind of go walk now. You know which I help. So it's like I have to be able to I have to be able to marry someone or be with someone that can cook. Even if it's not Nigerian stuff like egusi, amala, eba. You know, you don't guys learn that one, but still. You guys like even if it's I don't want to be eating rice every day. Anyone can eat rice.
And you know the funny thing is that his girlfriend came over to cook for us.
She's a good cook.
He calls her a good cook. She cooked white rice without salt.
Yeah!
With nothing. She's telling me, oh,
and this food ate it.
Food without spice is healthy.
What
the heck?
He didn't complain
that And she was putting sugar in the stew.
Rocky, what the fuck?
Yo, that's the funny part. How can I eat rice and stew with sugar? Then she now puts in, what is it called again?
Yo, that's a lie. That's like she can cook. Right?
Yo, seriously.
Well, she's not my girlfriend. She's just a friend.
Girls, you really need to learn how to cook. Those of you that can't cook, you know, you really need to. Cause what is it called? What thing did they call them for English?
See, if you know if you cook, you don't go marry.
No, be safe. You no cook.
Forget my Nigerian accent. I'm Nigerian. So anyhow, but the thing is that we African guys, we're raised to cook. Like we can cook. In our apartment, there are like 5 guys here, and we all can cook.
And we all can cook. Well, I can cook. Well, he can cook. We can cook anything. Just think of it. Whatever.
Well, let's assume everybody can cook.
Oh, all of them. Yo, niggas, we know we can cook. So
it's like if you bring a girl over here, we expect her to know how to cook. You know, like you can just bring a girl who's gonna make mac and cheese. What's with that mac and cheese? I didn't eat that shit in Nigeria. Yo. Like when there's eba, amala, egusi.
Okay, that like shariwa. Hey, idan akwai tuwo. Tuwon shinkafa miyo.
Hey, this guy see what food can do to you. Make you speak in tongues.
No, let me say speaking. I'm speaking in my language. I am Hausa, Bahaushe, and this guy, Biberebi, inside be Eba, Yoruba, or whatever they call it. I'm used to taking tuwo, you know, tuwo meal cooker, everything, man.
But
I swear to God.
Yeah, like if you're African or not even African, any girl, you should learn how to cook. Like even if your parents didn't teach you, like go online, there's Google. There's something called Google how to cook. Even if it's just like a different delicacy, like
no matter what.
Whenever I hear before. Now I want chopper. Maybe say no, not something that'll take me to the toilet though. Cause I don't want to go that place on constant visit. You know that kind of thing.
Wait, the funny thing be say, I'm even surprised some African ladies that cannot cook. That thing is funny. You guys watch Nigerian movies. You see how all these wives that cannot cook, how their husbands go out to cheat on them. That kind of thing. How would you feel if your husband is going out to...
But anyhow,
seriously, it's just a piece of advice.
Learn how to cook.
Well,
and if you can't cook, learn how to cook.
If you don't know how to cook, you just better start learning now. Because
I'll give you lessons, private lessons.
Oh yeah. You can follow him on Twitter at SwagNerd.
SwagNerd.
I don't have a Twitter page, so
this guy is weird. He's on Twitter at Aligi.
Alright, fellas. Peace out.
We out. You know what I'm saying. Bye bye.